Hello and what's up guys, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a really nice intro and outro like this one. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do to make an intro or outro is go to this website right here, panzonoid.com. I'll leave a link in the description for this. And what you're going to want to do is you can log in, create an account, do whatever you want. But you can find a ton of templates here. You can go to more creations and stuff, and you can search. Let's just say you want YouTube intro. There's so many templates, and let's just say you want something simple with some classy effects and stuff like that. You can probably find anything in here, and that you can add your own background music and everything. So let's just go ahead and find a good one. And basics, here it is. You can go ahead and decrease the time, so you can go ahead and put it down, like let's just try 8 seconds. Now that looks to be a little too short, so once you find something that's really good, and you can also increase your frame rate right here, that's to 60 FPS, 1920 by 1080, or 4K, whatever you want. And once you tweak around with this little and the timing, you can get that. Next, to go ahead and get whatever you want for your name and whatever your channel name is, you're going to go over here, and currently it just named text. So if we play this, we can see that it's literally just named template. So we have a ton of stuff right here, and where it says text, wherever it says text right here, the template, you can change that to your name. So Lokify, and then click enter, and then everything that says text with the colon next to it, that's what you're going to want to change. Alright, so after you're done with that, you should have a little intro that has your actual name in it, and also whatever like you're using. Now let's just say you want to change up the music. So let's just say you have an audio file you downloaded that has a good music intro that you want. That's just chill. Maybe this is a little bit too exciting, so you have a different one and you want some chill music in the background. You can go ahead and download an audio file from whatever website or something you want, and you can drag it in right here and import it. So that's pretty much it after making it. You can add a little bit of effects and tweak with these, but I really just leave them alone if I make one. Then once you're done, you're going to go to download, and I typically go for extreme quality and export it as an MKV. Now a lot of editing softwares and stuff like that don't support MKV, so you're going to have to download something like Handbrake, which is a program. I'll also leave the link for that in the description, which allows you to convert files to a different format. That way you can import it in, and then you can have it as an MP4 to import into your editing software. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this. Go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, it really helps a lot. It literally takes 3 seconds out of your day, and it's free. So yeah, go ahead and like, subscribe, and slap that bell to get more amazing content, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.